Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I'll explain exponents and powers of 7th standard. It is coming in all classes right from 6 to 10. So today we'll explain what are the exponents. We'll cover all the concepts and laws by using which you can solve the different problems from your exercise. Okay. So what are the exponents? First we'll explain. If I have to write one number 2 plus 2 plus 2, I'm taking this 4 times. I have to add this, so I'll get one result, that is 8. Or I can write it 4 times 2. I'll get the same result, that is 8. So what is this? This is a repeated addition. And repeated addition is what? Nothing, it's the multiplication. Repeated addition is what? It's the multiplication itself. But if I have to multiply this number by itself, 2 into 2 into 2. Here I got result 4. I can write it 4 times 2. But here I have to multiply all the numbers, same numbers, 2 into 2 into 2. I have to multiply. Then I can't write it 4 times 2. So what I have to write? I have to write it is equal to 2 raised to power 4. So means what? This 2 is coming 4 times. We can multiply this 2 with itself 4 times. Okay, so this 2 is what? This is my base, and this 4 is what? This is the exponent. Okay, so what is the exponent? This is the exponent. Exponent क्या होता है now? An exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. That is exponent. Exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Okay, here 2 is multiplied by itself. How many times? Here I am taking 2. 2 is multiplied by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So I am taking power 4. So if we'll read together this number 2 or 4, how can we read it? 2 raised to power 4. So together it will be a power. Only 2 if we read, it is a base, and only 4 it is a exponent. Got it? So together if we'll read it, it will be a power 2 raised to power 4. So if or we can say that, right, I have to write 10 raised to power 4. So how I'll write? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 4 times. Okay, so 10, how many times 10 is coming? 10 is coming 4 times. So we can write this result like that. Okay, so this is a exponential form of any number. This is the exponential form of the 10. So if you have to write any number in exponential form, you can write by using exponents. So this form is called the exponential form. Exponential form. This is called the power, and this is the exponent. This is base. My 2 is a base. So an exponent refers to a number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Got it? So if I am taking, like, I am taking one example, like 729, I am taking 729. So I have to write it in the exponential form. So how I will write it? So for that, first I have to write I have to take the LCM of 7 to 9. So I will divide 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again it will be divisible by 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again it will be divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Then 3 9s are, then 3 3s are. So what I got, how many times 3 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so we can write it now in exponential form. How many times 3 is coming? 3 is coming 6 times. So we can write 3 raised to power 6. Okay, so 729 is what? 729 is 3 raised to power 26. 3 raised to power 6 only. Okay, this is the exponential form of 729. So any number, any big number, we can write in very small form. There we can use the exponents. So exponents is very useful when we have to write the very big numbers. Like I have to write the distance of moon from earth. So for that we can use exponents. For such a big numbers we can use exponents. So here I have some laws also to write this. If I have to write this number, so we can use laws also here. So we have different laws. We'll do one by one. My first law, if I have base same, so there are some different numbers, different laws. First I will take if my base is same. Base same. Okay, so if I have same base, then I can, and my exponents are different. Okay, base same hai, powers different है उसकी, then how can we write? Like I am taking a raised to power x and b raised to power, my base should be same, so I have to take same base. Okay, so a raised to power x, a raised to power y. So my base is what? A. Both a is same, and I have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, what is your law? I have one base should be same, and your exponents are different. These two are the exponents, x and y. These are different, and they have to multiply. What we'll do? So here the numbers base will come down if your base is same. Then you can apply this law. So a raised to power x plus y. Your exponents will be, you can add these exponents. Okay, if multiply sign is there, then you will add the exponents and base should be same. So what my law state, if a is your what? A is your rational number. This is your rational number, and x and y are the whole numbers. Then a raised to power x into a raised to power y is what? A raised to power x plus y. For example, I am taking 3 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 5. So here no need to explain like this. To make it easy, to make it short, to save your time, we are using these laws. Whenever you are doing any question, you are solving any problem, and you have to, you are going to apply one law, you have to write that also. Don't simply find the answer. Always write law behind that sum, behind that problem, which law you are using. Like we are using identities. Okay, there we are writing them. So here we are using laws, so you have to write them side by. So 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 5, my base is same. So we'll add, and here is the sign of multiplication. So we'll add all the powers. 2 plus 5. So what I will got? 3 raised to power 7. This is my final result. Got it? So number 2. Under this only. This is my first, under same base. Now second part is, if my base is same again, but only the difference is sign is different. Here I am multiplying, and in this case, second case, number is divisible. Two number we are going to divide with same base. A raised to power x is dividing by a raised to power y. These two numbers we are going to divide. Only the difference is here. Here I am taking the sign of divisibility. Okay, base is same, a and a, exponents are different, sign is divisible, so powers will subtract. A raised to power x minus y. Okay, if your base is same, the sign is division, powers will subtract. Okay, this is your second law. Another law, you can say that. Okay, so here again I am taking one example, like 3 raised to power 7 is divisible by 3 raised to power 4. So what I'll got according to the law, 3 raised to power 7 minus 4, that is 3 raised to power 3. It's very simple. Quick, we can find the answer. Very quick. So how we can explain it? If a is a whole number, x and y, a is a rational number, x and y are the whole numbers, then a raised to power x divided by a raised to power y is what? A raised to power x minus y. Okay. Now next, here we cover two laws. Then next is number with negative exponent. If I have number, my next law, okay, number 3. If I have number with negative exponent, like I am writing 3 raised to power minus 4. This is my number with negative exponent. This is my exponent. So how can we write it? So this comes down. Okay, उसका reciprocal हो जाएगा. 3 raised to power 4 negative. So it will come 3 raised to power 4. 1 by 3 raised to power 4. That is, again you can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. What will get? 1 by 81. Okay. So, if x is a rational number and a is a whole number, then x raised to power minus a is what? 1 by x raised to power a. Okay. X raised to minus a is what? 1 by x power. If your power is in negative sign, it will come down and it will come the positive sign. Got it? So next is my next law is, if x is a rational number and a is a whole number, then if x is a rational number and a is a whole number, a and b you can say that, then x raised to power a into b is what? Matlab number with exponent of exponent. This is my number with exponent of exponent. Then the exponents will multiply. So we can write it x raised to power ab. Both powers will multiply. This one. Got it? Your number with exponent both will multiply. Got it? So like I am taking one example, 3 raised to power 2, then power 3. So these two powers will multiply first. So 3 raised to power 3 to the 6. So my result is this one. So first we did with same base. Now I am taking with same exponents and different base. I have next topic is with same exponent and different base. First in first law I first and second I did with same base. Now I am taking same exponent. If I am taking same exponent like x raised to power a, okay, and different base, multiply y, same exponent. What I am going to write? Same exponent, x raised to power a, y raised to power a. Then what will the result? Both numbers will multiply. X into y will take in brackets, will take common power. Okay. Again, if x and y are rational number and a is a whole number, then what will get? X raised to power a into y raised to power a is what? X into y raised to power a. Okay. This is the multiplication of numbers with same exponent. Same thing you can do if the numbers are dividing instead of multiplication. First we'll take one example here. Like I have 3 raised to power 2 into 4 raised to power 2. See here, your bases are different, exponents are same. So I can multiply these two numbers because both numbers are of same exponent. So I can take same exponents common. 3 into 4, I'll take together power same. So 3 4s are 12 raised to power 2 will get the result. Okay. So if the numbers are dividing with same exponent, like x raised to power a divide by y raised to power a. Again your exponent is same, the difference is only sign. Here is divisible. So x raised to power a divided by y raised to power a is what? Both numbers will divide x upon y with same power, common power, a, exponent. Again I am taking one more example, like 4 raised to power 2, okay, is dividing by 3 raised to power 2. So what will get? 4 divided by 3 raised to power 2. We can get this result like this. Got it? Power will come common and numbers will divide. Same. Now if I have any number with 0 exponent, so my result always will I get 1. With any numbers power 0 will always get 1. Like I have x raised to power 1000. Okay, x raised to power 1000 hai. But again its power is 0. Okay, here I am applying two laws, exponent with exponent, number with exponent of exponent. But here what I got, 1000 into 0 is what? 0. Then what is x raised to power 0? 1. Got it? Again I am taking one more example here. Like I have 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power 2 raised to power 0 plus 5 raised to power 0. So what is my result? Not 0. Sometimes what children are doing, they are just liking here power is 0, so it will be 0. No, it's not result is 0, its result will be 1 for each. So here I am got 3 raised to power 0 is what? 1, because x raised to power 0 is 1 always. Plus here exponent with exponent is what? 2 into 0 is what? 0, and then 4 raised to power 0 is what? Again 1. Again here 5 raised to power 0 is what? 1. So my result is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this type of questions may come under this law. Okay, again remember one thing, any number raised to power 0 is always 1. Don't forget this thing. So x is a rational number other than 0, then x raised to power 0 is 1 always. So this type of questions may come in MCQ questions. Okay. So almost we'll cover all the laws. So we can now solve different questions by using these laws. So here I am writing in brief all the laws one by one. First I have, if x raised to power a and x raised to power b. So what is my result? My bases are same, my powers will add. X raised to power a plus b. Got it? Number 2. X raised to power a divided by x raised to power b. What is my result? Here again base are same, only the sign here divisible. So my powers will subtract a minus b. Now next is exponent of exponent, number with exponent of exponent. So here I got x raised to power a into b is what? X raised to power a b. Both powers will multiply. Then negative exponent, x raised to power minus a. Then it is what? X 1 by x raised to power a. It will come down, reciprocal will take. And exponent power 0, any number with 0 exponent will got 1 always. If you have same exponent, different base, like x raised to power a into y raised to power a. My bases are different, my exponents are same. Then what I got? X y raised to power a. If these numbers are dividing, then again x raised to power a divided by y raised to power a, I will got x upon y raised to power a. Okay, so we'll use all these laws by using the, when you're solving your problems, you can use all these laws. Like I'm taking one example here. I'll show how I can use these laws. I'm taking one example. 2 raised to power 8 into 3 raised to power 4 divide by 8 into minus 2 raised to power 5 into 27. This is my question. You have to simplify this. Okay, simplify. So for that, like here is 27. So I have to write this 27 in prime factorization. So my basic number is here 2 and 3. My prime factor is 2 and 3. So I have to convert all the numbers in form of 2 and 3. I have to make them exponents in the form 2 and 3. And again 8. 8 को भी मुझे 2 की form में लेके आना. So what I will write? I can write 2 raised to power like this into 3 raised to power 4 like this. So what is 8? 8 is 2 raised to power 3. Okay. Into minus 2. You can write this minus sign outside. So you can write it 2 raised to power 5. Okay. And minus 1 raised to power 5. You can separate, we can write it. And what is 27? 27 is what? 3 raised to power 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So here I can, like any number, if any bigger number, you can find the factorization. Then you can write these numbers like I did here. Here's 27. I know that 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. So I write it here. Okay. So now we'll apply law. All we'll take together. So like this 2. 2 raised to power 8. Upon here is 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 5. I am writing 2 separately and 3 again. Here is 3. 3 raised to power 4 upon 3 raised to power 3. And minus 1. Here I am writing power 5. Okay. So what I got? 2 raised to power 8, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 5. So this we can apply here. 2 raised to power 8 is like that. So base is same. Multiplication, powers will add. 2 raised to power 8. Both powers we can add. Okay. We are using here this law, first law. Okay. Now, again here is base same. Powers will subtract. So 3 raised to power 4 minus 3 you can write it. And minus 1 raised to power 5. So here again same law here will apply. Second number law. So base same. They are dividing. Powers will subtract. So 2 raised to power 8 minus 8. Here is 3 raised to power 4 minus 3. And what is my result here? Minus 1 raised to power 5. Minus 1 is, then power is odd number. Okay. So if any number, negative number in bracket and power is odd, we'll get always negative result. If my negative number is there and power is even, I will get positive result. So here is what? 5 is odd number. So we'll get negative 1. Okay. So 2 raised to power 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 raised to power 0. 3 raised to power 4 minus 3, 1 into minus 1. So this result again becomes 1 because x raised to power 0 is always 1. So 1 into 3 raised to power 1 into minus 1 will get minus 3. Okay. How? Because this minus is multiplied with 3. 3 raised to power 1 is what? 3 only. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. And 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So this is my final result for what? This question. This way you can simplify any question by using all the laws. So here in this question, how many laws I did? I used 3 laws. That wherever you are using, you can write in bracket side by. Here you can write it like that. X raised to power a into x raised to power b is what? X raised to power a minus b. Here I used second law. So you can write x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b is what? X raised to power a minus b. Side by side you have to give the reason. Here you can write x raised to power 0 is what? Always 1. Then it is very clear. If you are doing mistake in finding the answer also, but you are writing your laws side by side, you are writing these formulas, then also you can get in marks. Okay, no doubt if your answer is wrong, maybe you are get in calculation you are getting any mistake, but you are writing the these laws side by, then you will get the marks. Okay, so ये छोटी छोटी mistakes नहीं करनी है. Formulas हमेशा लिखना side पे. Which law you are using, that you have to write side by, then you will not lose your marks. Okay, now I'll start my next topic. That one is the last one. So how we can use exponent in for large numbers? That is a scientific notation. Scientific notation. Okay, like I have a number 30,000 I have to write. Okay, I have to write this number in exponential form. So how can we write? How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write it 3 into 10 raised to power 4. Nicely I can write it. Okay, how many zeros are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. My point is here I am writing it 3 into 10 raised to power 4. It's a short form of this big number. Okay, this is the exponential form of this number. But if I have like 3160000, how can I write? That is 316. This is for one digit number. And here 316 into how many zeros are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to power 4. But again, after this again we can write in again short form. Because this is not a one digit number. We'll make it 1. Like here, my point is here now. I'm shifting my points 2 digit before, like 3.16. So how many digit I got? 2. So I can write it 10 raised to power 2. And this 10 raised to power 4. So together what I got? 3.16 into 10 raised to power 6. This here I'm applying one law. 4 plus 2, 6. Base is same, powers will add. So my final result is 3.16 into 10 raised to power not for 6. Don't count only zeros. Go with the decimal. First we'll write this decimal. We'll see how many digit will move. Then we'll add up into zeros also. This is your exponential form. Okay. Like very big number I am going to write. I have to write surface area of the earth. Like I have surface area of earth is 510,200, again 000 kilometers square. I have to write it very small number. I have to write it. So how can I write in exponential form? Again I will count for zeros. 5, 1, 0, 2. How many zeros are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 10 raised to power 5. But this is not again small. I have to write in the decimal form, then first convert it in the decimal form. So my point is here now. It will shift 1, 2, 3 digits. So what can I write? 5.102. How many digits? 1, 2, 3 digit shifts. So 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to power 5. So that is 5.102 into 5.102 into 10 raised to power together is what? 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. So this way you can write, or you can write it like this also, straightforward. Now you got how can you have to write. So this way directly you can, if you understand the logic here, how I am writing, I am converting this number into decimal form, you know that, then you can write straightforward here again. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit I am shifting. So it is 5.10 into 10 raised to power 8. So this is your scientific notation. Okay, this is a scientific notation for any number. So if number is given already in point, in decimal form it is given like 6.324 into 10 raised to power 6, it is given. You have to write it in the expanded form. Then you have to convert this number in this form. Okay, here already decimal is there, and how many powers is there? 6. So you have to convert back. So here if I am shifting this decimal, see 6324. Okay, तो ये कितना shift हुआ? 3 digit shift हुआ ना? If I am shifting this point from this words, I am multiplying the number. Now here it is dividing. So what I got here, I am getting 1, 2, 3. After digit, how many? After point, how many digits are there? 3. So I am taking 3 zeros down into 10 raised to power 6. So what I got, 6324 upon 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to power 6. Now here again I am going to apply one law, that is my base is same, my powers will subtract. So what I got, 6324 10 raised to power 3. Okay, see here base is same, exponents will subtract. 6 minus 3, that is 3. So I got 6324000. So this is the expanded form of this number. Got it? First of all, shift the point, make this number in simple number, make your this decimal, remove this decimal, write all the zeros, how many digits are coming after decimal, then apply law. If it is coming in this form, go back like that. Each step you have to one by one go back. Okay, so this way you can write any number in expanded form or any number in the scientific notation. I hope you understand all full lecture, all the concepts. So by using these concepts and laws, you can find you can solve your problems from exercise. You can solve all the exercise question. So I am giving you some questions at home. You please do that. Number 1, 3 raised to power 20 divided by 3 raised to power 15 into 3 raised to power 5. What you have to do? Simplify. Okay. And one more question under simplification. 27 raised to power 2 into minus m raised to power 5 n square divided by 18 raised to power 3 into m cube n. Okay. So this you have to simplify. Okay. Next question is, express the following number in scientific notation. Express 608080000 in scientific notation. Okay, you have to express this number in scientific notation. Next, in standard expanded form. I have this number 0.86 into 10 raised to power 4 in expanded form. Okay, what is expanded form? This type, what I explained last. गिवन नंबर है, आपको डेसिमल में दिया है, आपको इस फॉर्म में लेके आना है. गॉट इट? एंड these are very simple. The last one is simplify 2 raised to 2 upon 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. This is which law? Number of exponent of exponent. Number with exponent of exponent. Okay, so different questions are here, miscellaneous problems are here. So solve these questions. In case you are finding any difficulty, any problem, please contact me. Write in your comment box, write your difficulties and problems, we'll solve all together. Okay, I hope you understand my lecture. Please be in touch with me. If you like, subscribe my channel and always be in touch with me. Thank you so much.